Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Joie Mint Latch only way. Start by reading the manual and inspecting the latch and handle for damage. Next, adjust the carry handle to the locked position and set the base or seat on a flat surface. Align the carrier with the vehicle seat and thread the latch strap through the designated slot. Tighten until the carrier is secure and perform a firm tug test to confirm proper installation. Begin by lifting the latch connector housing and routing the strap to the vehicle anchor point. Attach the connector and push until you hear a clear click that signals engagement. Pull the strap slowly while stabilizing the carrier to remove slack and achieve a snug fit. Check the carrier at the belt path and try to move it. It should not shift more than 1 inch. Repeat on the other side if using dual connectors. Confirm the carrier is within the stated weight and size limits and that no recalls apply before use. Lock the carry handle into its travel position when the carrier is in the vehicle to reduce rotation during impact. After tightening the latch strap, perform a visual and physical check to verify connectors remain clicked and straps are flat. Re-inspect the entire installation after any long trip, collision, or significant seat adjustment to maintain safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.